right, today is day 2. We are working on D. D is for Dinosaur. You made this cute guy yesterday. We didn't name him.
You're right, we didn't. So it's a Stegosaurus, so maybe you should have an S name. What do you think?
Stan.
I love it. Stan the Stegosaurus.
Stan the Stegosaurus.
Fantastic.
Okay, all right, so we are working on the letter D. Sorry, guys. One of those crazy letters. Here's the capital, here's the lowercase. They don't look anything alike.
They don't. Nope.
They do not. The lowercase actually looks like a lowercase b if it was facing the other direction.
That's right.
Okay, so turn it this way. Turn it this way, and then we have our letter D. All right, so stretch those fingers out, get them nice and warmed up. Our capital D, we're gonna start at the top, we're gonna draw a line straight down. And then we're just gonna loop it around, okay? Straight down, loop it around. Easy peasy. Our lowercase, our circle at the bottom is gonna be only half, okay? But our line is gonna be from the top to the bottom, okay? All on the same line. Nothing's upstairs, nothing's in the basement. It's gonna be about the same size. So straight line down, and then we're gonna circle it around facing the D, okay? Facing the capital D. All right, if it is facing this way, what letter is it?
Lowercase b.
B, okay? So B points that way, D points in, all right? All right, use your dry erase marker. Start at the top, draw a line all the way down, and then circle it around. Keep doing that over and over until you get in the lines. Do the same thing with the lowercase, straight line down, circle it around, circle it around. All right, you actually have a bunch of pom-poms. Okay, we're actually gonna use this for the back. But if you would like, you can dump them all out. You have some tweezers. You can use the tweezers or you can use your finger. See if you can just line up your pom-poms. See if you can make a D shape with your pom-poms. Woo!
Oh, we're flying. There you go.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Whoop. All right, we're getting there. I was trying to space them out because I wasn't sure if we had quite enough to go all the way around without any space, but looks like we do. What do you think?
Awesome.
You like it?
Love it.
All right, you can do the same thing with your lowercase. Remember, it's the same height, but then it circles in and just the lower half. Get off, get off. Okay, there you go. Cute. All right, when you are done making your letter D with your pom-poms, you know what time it is.
That's right.
It's guessing game. All right. Make my easy one first. Okay, he's cute. You can tell what he is.
That is a dog.
That is a dog. What about this?
Oh, it's a Wiggle Worms classic. It's a pair of dice.
Dice, dice. All right, you're probably not gonna be able to guess what this one is. Well, maybe.
Oh, yeah, I think I get it. Yep. I'll let you complete your picture, though. I won't.
Okay. I don't know. Something like that.
I think that's a duck.
That is a duck.
So cute.
That is a duck. Very easy here.
Door.
Door. Door. All right. Draw as many as you want. Play the guessing game. See how many you can draw. Let's look at the bottom. We have D is for dinosaur. See any more D's?
I do not see any more D's. Do you, Miss Chrissy?
Nope.
No, not this time.
Not this time. Not this time. All right. If you look in the top, though, it has a picture. Ignore my volcano, but, you know, that's a must when we're talking about dinosaurs.
That's right.
But we have a bunch of different types of dinosaurs.
Yep.
Okay? All right. Flip your board over when you are ready, and...
Oh, look at that.
Lucky, 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 lucky. All right, we are gonna use our die and our pom-poms and our tweezers for this top part. Our Stegosaurus, what's he missing?
Missing the spines on the back.
Yep, he's missing his little scales, okay? So we're gonna use the pom-poms as his scales. We're gonna roll the die. We're gonna count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And then we are gonna use our tweezers and we are going to put 1, 2, whoa, come back here, 3, 4. All right, so this guy only gets 4 scales. That is it. If you are ready, and you can, try to give me that number. Write it out. Give me some dots. Okay? All right. Erase. Clear your board. Try it again.
We've got 1, 2.
All right. That one's easy. Sorry, guy. You only get 2. 1, 2. Okay? See if you can write it. If you can't, do some dots. All right, you can play this as long as you want. When you are ready, go to the bottom, okay? Make sure you erase the top, okay? Don't leave it to dry on there. All right, what do you think we're gonna do?
Looks like we are going to do some symmetry work with a volcano.
Yep,
Ooh.
volcano. I don't know why, but any dinosaur scene you see, it has a volcano somewhere.
Exactly, yep.
It does. All right, so let's take a look. It almost kind of looks like a triangle. Almost. It's missing the top part.
Yep.
Right?
It is.
So let's just start with the top. Okay, I'm gonna draw it probably, it might be a little too long. Same size. All right, and then I'm gonna jump to the bottom because this one's like
A little
bit longer.
Yep.
And then it looks like it's just one big connection, right?
Yep.
So let's see if I can get from here. Okay,
All
not
right.
too bad.
Yep, not bad.
Then we have our grass. It kind of is like a little wave, so I
Nice
don't
and
think
gentle
that
rolling
one's gonna-
hills. Yep.
Yeah. Okay, and then it looks like we have our lava coming down. You could even color that in to make it sort of match. And if you have green
Yep.
and yellow, reddish,
Dry
you can
erase
use
markers. Yep.
those as well. Very cool. Very cool. Look, I'm gonna make it like
Erupting.
all right, last but not least, we have a couple of our favorite dinosaurs over here, and we have all of their names. Of course, we underline the first letter. This one's gonna throw you for a loop.
Yes, it is.
But
yep.
I know that you guys are smarter than me, and you know all the different types of dinosaurs. So you could look at this, you know what it is, and then you're gonna look at that and you're gonna be like, oh, I get it. So Miss Rachel, you wanna
Yes.
go down the line?
Sure. So our first one is Tyrannosaurus. I'm sure you guys know this one. It is the biggest dinosaur.
All right, let's see where it goes. That one's not very big.
No.
That one flies, so I don't think that one's it.
Nope.
Oh, there he is.
big
He's
guy.
the biggest, but look at these.
He's got those
Tiny
arms.
little arms.
Yup.
Tiny little arms. All right, what do we have next?
Next we have Triceratops. And that tri at the beginning means 3. So we need something with 3 horns on its head. That's the one we're going to match with.
All right. There it is.
There it is.
There's one like on his nose, and then there's 2 up here. You see that? All right. This is the fun one.
This is our sneaky one. This is a letter P, which makes a P sound, but not in this word. It's one of those very sneaky words. It's, the way you say it is pterodactyl.
The P is silent.
P is silent.
Why did we put it there? We don't know. We did not make the English language.
That's right.
I would not have put that P there, but it's there. You know it's there to trick you.
Yep.
You know it's there.
Exactly.
All right. So here's our flying one.
Yep.
Very big.
Got some wings. Yep.
Got some wings. All right, our last one, Miss Rachel.
Is a Stegosaurus, which we've talked about a couple times this week already. That's the one with the big spines or scales on his back.
There he
There he
is.
is. Yep.
Right there. Right there. Which one is your favorite?
Oh, I love them all. Probably Triceratops.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah, they're pretty cool. I mean, they're so unique looking.
I like this guy because of his little arms.
T-Rex arms, right?
Little T-Rex arms. Yep. Miss Rachel just said it right there.
Yep.
That's the other name.
T-Rex.
T-Rex. That's
Yep.
what you hear.
Short name. Yep.
All right, you guys. That is our letter D. When you are done, erase your board. Don't put it away like this. Erase it first. Put your pom-poms, your die, and your tweezers back in your bag so you can use it on another day. Bye, you guys.